What if the iPhone 17 Pro you've been seeing online wasn't even running iOS at all? With Apple's official launch event expected on September 9th, excitement is building, but one recent leak is causing quite a stir. A dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro or maybe the Pro Max has surfaced, and at first glance, it looks like it's running iOS 26. The home screen has all the familiar Apple icons like Safari and the App Store, and the silver back even sports the famous Apple logo. But tipster Sonny Dixon, who shared these images, says there's a catch. It's actually running Android. The giveaway, the clock. On this dummy, the time is displayed as 5:20, with a leading 0 in front of the single-digit R. On an actual iPhone, whether you're using the 12-hour or 24-hour clock format in most English-language regions, that leading 0 wouldn't be there, it would simply show 5:20. Android, on the other hand, often uses that extra 0 in 24-hour mode, especially in its default system interface and notification bar. This points to the fact that it's an Android phone dressed up to look like iOS with custom themes, icon packs, and home screen layouts. But that's not the only clue that this isn't the real deal. Many people have noticed the bezels, the black borders around the display are quite thick. By comparison, leaks suggest the real iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will have some of the thinnest bezels ever on an iPhone, even slimmer than the iPhone 16 Pro models. This dummy doesn't match that at all, so why do these fakes exist? Often, case makers and accessory brands create dummy units early so they can design and test their products before the real phone is announced. Sometimes these dummies are based on incomplete or outdated leaks, and other times they're just made to get attention online. The problem is, many people mistake them for the real thing. As for the actual iPhone 17 Pro, Apple hasn't revealed any official details, but we can expect performance upgrades, possible new display tech, and refinements to the design. The launch is likely just weeks away, so it's worth remembering that these early hands-on looks are rarely accurate. This Android-powered fake might have fooled some at first glance, but it's missing the polished design and small details Apple is known for. Plus, the chunky bezels and that giveaway clock format make it easy to spot for anyone who's paying attention. These leaks can be entertaining, but they can also create false expectations. That's why it's always better to wait for the official announcement before making up your mind. When September 9th comes, the real iPhone 17 Pro will almost certainly look sharper, run actual iOS 26, and skip the Android quirks like the leading 0 on the clock unless Apple decides to surprise us, which is unlikely. So until then, take what you see online with caution, especially if it looks just a little off. What's your take? Are fake leaks like this just harmless fun? Or do they mess with the hype too much? If you found this breakdown useful and want to stay updated with the latest Apple news, leaks, and tech updates, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the real iPhone 17 Pro when it finally arrives.